Let's talk about how to start investing for beginners in Nigeria. We have heard that everybody saying, "Oh, invest, invest, invest." And a lot of people are falling victim of scams, CBEX, everything going up here and there, loan scams, everything, MMM and everything. And I don't want you to fall victim of that. That's why we're going to talk about how to invest as a beginner. First thing that you need to know is that if you want to invest, you must set out clear financial goals. Okay, set out clear financial goals. Set out clear financial goals. Then you must understand risk tolerance. Risk tolerance. You must know that investing is all about risk. So once you set clear financial goals, understand risk tolerance. Your financial goals can be, what do I want to achieve at the end of my investing period? Do I want to achieve what? 10 times returns or what? Whatever, what is it am I even investing into? Okay? You need to understand that you need to have clear financial goals. You might not actually have any results yet or any money, but ask yourself, where do I want to be in 3 years with this particular business? Where do I want to be in 6 months doing this particular thing? Where do I see myself in this period of time? And then you also need to choose an investment. Choose what you want to invest in. Choose an investment. So don't just go blindly and say you want to invest in this because your friend is doing something, you want to invest. Oh, my friend is doing this, I want to invest in it also. No, it's very, very bad, very, very wrong approach. Don't do that. You might fall victim of scam. You might not even know your friend might have other negative intentions and not just what you are thinking about. And then you need to start small. So once you've chosen an investment, you need to start small. You don't actually have to wait until you say, "Oh, I need to have all the money to start investing." No, start with what you have, where you are, at what time it is that you are there right there. Start with what you have, where you are, at whatever time or period in your life that you are in. Okay, you need to start. They say that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the next best time to plant a tree is now. Don't say, "Oh, I want to buy 20 lands, 20 plots of land at the same time." Start with one. Very, very good advice. And then, my friends, you need to educate yourself. I should have said that the most important of all of this is to educate yourself, because if you do not educate yourself, you are going to lose out big time. You need to have clear knowledge, general and specific knowledge about whatever investment that you are trying to enter, because we are talking about money and you need to understand the language of money. Okay, you need to get yourself educated. And finally, my friends, seek professional help. Seek professional guidance. Find out people that have been in the industry before you. Learn from them. Never stop learning. Never stop learning, my friends. Never stop learning. Because the day you stop learning is the day you die or the day you become stupid or foolish. I hope that this helps you and that you are going to make clear and good financial goals. And I'm going to see you at the top, because that's where you are meant to be. Like always, peace, and I'll see you again.